1.4 Question 1. What is absolute advantage? It is when a person or group is able to produce more than the competitor using the same amount of resources. Question 2. What is comparative advantage? It is when a person or group can produce goods at a lower opportunity cost than their competitors. Question 3 shows a diagram of Brett and Joe with their cakes and pies. For Brett's pie, I did 15/10, which equals 1.5 pies per cake. And then for Joe, I did 4/5, which equals 0.8 pies per cake. And then for Brett's cake, I did 10/15, which equals 2/3 cake for one pie. And then I did Joe's cake, which is 5/4, which equals 1.5 cakes per one pie. This means Joe has the comparative advantage in pies and Brett has it in the cakes. It would be anywhere between, or for the acceptable terms of trade, it would be anywhere between 0.8 and 1.5 pie per cake. That way it meets in the middle and it's a mutual agreement. Number 4. I turned Brett's 10 cakes into 1 hour per cake. And Joe, I turned his 5 cakes into 2 hours per cake. Brett's time for pies, I did one pie equals 2/3 hours, and Joe's time for pie, I did 1 equals 2.5 hours. This means the absolute advantage in cake is Brett because he has a smaller time, or it takes him less time to produce more cakes. And the absolute advantage in pies also with Brett because it takes him less time to make pies. So that way he can produce more. But the comparative advantage in cakes is Joe, and in the pies, it's Brett.